Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Spotify settings. To know how to fix or how to solve settings on Spotify, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. Then we click here on app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. Here we go to your airplane mode and you can turn on. Then you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.